Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
Assalamu alaikum, brother Adil.
Walaikum assalam, brother Abdul. Looks like kids are enjoying the carnival.
Yes, they are. Shall we have coffee, brother Adil?
Yes, brother Abdul.
Sarah, your toy is so nice. From where did you get it? My daddy got it for me. Can you share it with me? I also want to play with it. No. I won't give you. This is my toy. And my daddy got it for me as I got an A+. Sarah. Why are you being so mean? I am not mean. I just don't want to share. Okay. I don't want to talk to you guys. Okay. We don't want to talk to you either. Daddy, can we go home?
Okay, Fatima. What happened? Why are you sad?
I am fine, Daddy.
Okay. We will go now.
Muskan and Sarah. Can we go home now?
Okay, Mommy.
Mommy. Did Muskan and Sarah fought with Fatima the other day in carnival?
I feel so. Let's check with them. Muskan and Sarah. It's been 2 days. And I did not see you guys play with your friend Fatima. Did you guys fight with each other?
Yes, Mommy. She is not our friend anymore. We do not want to play with her.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "It is not permissible for a Muslim to abandon another Muslim for more than 3 days, and turning away from the other when they meet. The better of them is the one who gives the greeting of salam first." So Muskan and Sarah. As Muslims, you should not be angry with your friend Fatima for more than 3 days, for whatever reason. And Allah loves the person who says salam first.
Okay, Mommy. We will say sorry to Fatima and say salam to her. Can you please call Auntie Maryam so that we can talk to Fatima?
Okay, sure. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Maryam. Muskan and Sarah wants to talk to Fatima.
Assalamu alaikum, Fatima. I am sorry, Fatima. I was rude to you when you asked me my toy. Can you please come to my home? We can play with my new toy. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Mashallah, Muskan and Sarah. I am so proud of you guys.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.